Hi, I want to welcome you all specially to this week's weekly analysis. Okay, so in this weekly analysis, I'm going to be discussing with you. Of course, this is the free weekly analysis. I'll be talking to you about, first of all, the dollar index and the Japanese yens. Okay, so I haven't looked at the directional bias of the dollar index and the Japanese yens. I will now tell you how I will be trading GBP USD and GBP JPY. As for EU, that's Euro USD, AU USD, NU USD, NZ USD or NU, and CAD, that's CAD USD. I will be discussing that with the free community. As for crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto coin I trade, I will be discussing it with the VIP community during the daily live trading session. Okay, so stay active if you're on the VIP community, so I can take you through those sessions. So for the free community, Forex, I'll talk with you GU, and I'll talk with you EU. For crypto, I may discuss people USDT, and for commodities, I may be discussing silver, and for futures, I may be discussing US 30. Okay, so those are the things I discuss with the free community. For synthetic, I'm going to be talking volatility 25 and jump 25. Just thought to say this so that you can take note of it and know what I'm discussing with you on this weekly analysis and what I discuss with the VIP community during the weekly live trading session. Let me take you through to the chart. And if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you see what it's done, and you see that the drop is massive. The United States pulled out from the World Health Organization, and that's played a major role on the dollar, and that's why the dollar crashed massively. They have been sustaining the dollar's value such that the dollar has been gaining. I was anticipating it getting into at least 100 when it got to 99, but it made a major turn around from there and crashed massively up to this point. So for me, the imbalance is too much, and with that, I'm going to be expecting a pullback. Okay, I'm going to be expecting a pullback. So the first pullback should get at least up to this supply zone. That should be the first pullback. The second one, of course, should. I don't need to mark all at the same time. I can mark it as price keeps getting to that zone. The second pullback I'm expecting should work within this fair value gap. Okay, at least to the consequence encroachment. Okay, so that's it. So this is the FVG, so that you don't mix it up, and this is the supply. Okay, so they are not the same. They are two different zones, so you don't think they are the same as you're trading. So I'm going to get down into my confirmation time frame, which is the 15-minute entry point. Then all I just want to confirm here is that price takes out a major low, which is this, either these two. If it takes out this one, I'm going to trade it up to this point. If it takes out this one, then I'll be looking for massive move, at least encroachment of this FVG, or to this supply zone. So I'm going to be buying the dollar at the opening of the market on Monday. That means GU, I'm going to be selling. So what will make me sell GU? You can see also that because they both work directly proportional to each other. Since the dollar is crashing, of course the GU will be buying massively, and if you look, you see that there's a lot of imbalance on the buy side, and so that's what it's inspiring me to sell the GBP. Okay, even though it's gonna give a sharp buy when it gets to this. So if you want to talk about the A setup is going to be on the buy. Okay, because this is a major market structure shift. And such major market structure shifts tells that when price eventually returns into a penny point of interest, we should be looking for 8 setups, to just buy, and we should be able to, buy GU from this within this swing range. Okay, should be able to buy within this swing range. So this swing range is for the A setup for buy now, but the selling is for the pullback that may be facilitated, and it's going to be for a short time. So, and it's not a setup. Okay, so that's why the selling is high risky, but we're just doing it because of the imbalance. So we're not going to be going long. But if we get the buys, we're going to go long. So that's on G. Then we have the JPY basket. So the JPY basket usually runs. It doesn't play like the dollar. Whenever it's moving, it runs. So because of that, we're going to be a little bit more aggressive with it. We've been a lot more conservative, and it's been running leading us. So if we're a little bit more aggressive with it, then we will be able to catch it as it's running. The network is a bit slow. I just want to open it from the 4-hour time frame to show you what I'm saying. It's a bit slow. Okay, so this is it. So this is good. So I'm going to be looking at selling the JPY and an opening of the market. So because this is a strong supply zone, so if I get my sales, then it's going to be a good selling week for JPY. So within this swing range, once the price gets to this level, I'm just going to keep selling. So that means I will be buying GJ. Okay, I'll be buying GJ. So what will I be doing with GJ? Simply, once price gives me confirmation, then I look for my buy movement. You can see it also has its own break of structure on this side, and it's been buying ever since. So I should be able to look for good buys here. So all I just need is just map out those good demand zones. That's all. As long as those demand zones are there, that's price. So at the opening of the market, I'm going to be buying GJ. Take note. Okay. So people USDT is what I discussed with the free community. People USDT. I haven't traded that in a very long time, since the crash of crypto. So I may need to let's just see. Okay, so there is a buy opportunity, as you can see on the swing side. There's a break of structure on the upside. So if we see any buy confirmation, at least from this zone, we can buy. Okay, people USDT. Then Nasdaq. Okay, I say US, and yeah, Nasdaq actually for the free community, US30 for the VIP. Let me just give you US30. Do Nasdaq for VIP. So US30, you can see it's you can see now. So if you see buy opportunities, you can buy until it takes out a major low. Okay, took out this. It failed to take it. So okay, you can actually sell. You can sell. You can buy. Because it's ranging, so any of them that you see, you can do. You can sell, you can buy. I will sell, I prefer to sell. So that's on US30. Then for synthetics, I didn't really see opportunities during the weekly review, but let's look at it again. So we're going to look at jump 25 and volatility 25. Okay, so this is jump 25, and if you look closely, you see it's been selling. Okay. So the only opportunity might just be a sell down to this point, and for volatility 25, the only opportunity might just be buy. But that would be when because it's actually facilitating a bearish pullback. So maybe we're going to be careful to see that plays well on jump 25. So stay active on the group. If I see opportunity. I haven't seen all. I've shown you analysis, I'm sure you must have been able to have specific directional bias of what the market's going to look like in a week, what you should expect, what you should anticipate, how you should trade, what you shouldn't do, what you should do, how you should make money. This is 2026. You should be making money this year. And one of the ways you can make money is being able to have a clear directional bias of the market. If you don't, then you're going to be gambling, you're going to be guessing, and there's no gain in that. So stay active on the groups as I'm going to send you updates, especially on the free channel. Okay, those of you on the VIP, stay active on the VIP. Updates are going to come to you. See you during the live trading session 1 p.m. GMT plus 1. Everyone will do miss it. Then for those of you who are registering for February mentorship course, I just wanted to know that our prices have gone up. Okay, so for February it's going to be $5,000 for one-on-one, and for general class it's going to be $2 million per person, and for private class it's going to be $3 million per person. So take note, it is one for fee, and that gives you access to all our other things that we do for the community. So get ready for February mentorship course and make sure you're a part of it. See you during the live trading session on Monday 1 p.m. GMT plus 1.